Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can basically add media from your files to CapCut PC. So you are just going to select import here. I think you can also do it up here, I'm not quite sure. Yeah, file, import, and you're just going to either go to menu, file, import, or just select import here. I'm just going to go to videos here, and for instance I want to import this video, so I'm just going to double click on it and it's just going to be imported into the media page right here. And then I think you can do more than one, so for instance these two, you can just select them and import them there. You can also import songs and also pictures in here. You can also import LUTs and adjustments, LUT, and select import. And I think I put it in here. Yeah, it's in here, and you can just select an LUT and you can use that to color grade your videos. And that is basically it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!